Okay. We're wanting to keep going, so I decided to start streaming again. Music. Okay, we're waiting on that. Okay, so I thought we would do the transporter. Excuse me, but it requires stardust, and I wanted to do a stardust collector. Because the stardust collector will also allow you to craft a minimap. And so let's see what we got here. Energy collector, energy minerals, stardust. Okay, so let's do the stardust collector. Or let's put all the recipes for these in the game. Let's take these. Okay, do we got music? All right, let's do music. Just a second while we start that up. A little bright. Where's my cursor? There it is. Okay. There we go. So let's go over into here. And let's put these in here and just kind of comment those out for now. Okay, so let's just go like this. Recipe book. Stardust, we already have a collector. Let's do a stardust magnet. Okay, whatever. 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 Okay, so we want minerals, water, and energy. Let's go for 150 minerals. Water, let's go for 40 water. Energy, let's say 120 for 2 minutes. Okay, that seems pretty cool. So let's do a mini map and a transporter module. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. We can call it a module, that's fine. Okay, so the mini map, let's say, what do we got? So, stardust, minerals, energy. Okay. Okay, stardust, minerals, water, ice, energy. Oh, it takes everything for that. Look at that. Would you look at that? The most stardust. Minerals. Takes the most minerals of everything. Let's go 175. Takes the most water of everything. Let's go 80. Ice. Let's say it only takes 10 ice for certain things while you're producing it. Okay, and let's go up to energy. Let's go 360. Because that's crazy. Okay, there we go. Transporter module, stardust collector, all that stuff in place. Okay. Okay, so let's go to, let's see what that stuff looks like in the game. I should move this up to 11, because we might break stuff. 11. Boop up 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 boop 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 up boop up boop. I know we're showing the minimap right now anyways, but eventually we're going to not show, and actually if this works, and we get a minimap in our inventory, then we'll just not show the minimap unless the player has inventory. And that'll include the, that will include all the items. Okay, this is cool. Alright, we can't see that. Oh, we can scroll down. We can scroll. That's cool. Okay, so let's craft the energy collector, start collecting energy. How much ice are we going to need? 10 ice for that. So we want 120 energy, 150 minerals, 40 water. Okay. So I think we're good for that. Let's just collect a whole bunch more stuff. I was going to say something else. Minerals, let's get the water. For the ice, we can turn it into water. Okay, energy collector. Oh, that'd be cool to increase. Okay. To increase the energy that you collect per second, you can craft another one. That'd be kind of. That'd be starting an incremental, wouldn't it? Start an incremental game. Okay, so what are we waiting for? We're waiting for the stardust magnet, I think. 120 energy, and we should be there. 25 seconds. Oh wait, it doesn't say what it is. Does it? Oh wait, yeah it does. Okay, I'm just... Too much caffeine. Too much caffeine. It's all good. We're fine. Okay, so let's do the stardust magnet. Make sure we got that in there. That's cool. It would be good if this was longer. That's fine though for now. Okay, so the stardust magnet. So that works. And then once the player has the stardust magnet in their inventory, then how come it says stardust 0? Interesting. Why does it say stardust 0? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so let's come back there. So what we want to know is oh yeah, the asteroid field. Okay, so oh, okay, here, hold on. So first let's focus on this stardust stuff. So what I do each time with the ice count and the mineral count is every frame, because I might run across more than one per frame, which is not likely, but in my thinking, I was thinking that was a good idea. But so what we want to do really is what do we do to get rid of them? So what do we? What all do we do when we do show planet? Let me look. Just block render? No, show space, sorry. So show credits, okay. Space background update, set laser rotation. Oh, set stat user. I was like, what's going on? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so what makes them so that they're not displayed? Hold on. GST 64. Shoot, I gotta look at the shader, because I think this is how... Because that's the type, right? Else discard. Okay, asteroids, and then what's the other thing I was just thinking of? Oh yeah, the ice crystals, so let's look at that real quick. So same thing. So you just set, okay, alright. So, what we want to know in here, asteroid begin, asteroid end. So as we put those in, they become asteroids. And let's go like this. Let's go space dust count equals 0. Where did I declare those? Up here? Yeah. Alright, alright. And then if distance, so if it's less than 0.05, if it's a crystal, if it's an asteroid, do that, right? So we want to check if, what are we in, class planets? Oh, so we're in the class planets. So we need to know in this function if the player has a stardust collector. So let's go like this. Oh, duh. Okay, so we're going to set it to default. And we're going to create a function. Actually, and then it will receive a bool. So void planets 1 set stardust collector bool. Okay. Set sc bool. I know, whatever. So what did I just call it? Player has stardust collector set bool. So I can set that from another function. So what we want to do is in here, when we go to no, it's not there. It's not there. What are we doing? Display inventory player 1 right here. So yeah. So while we're showing the crafting menu, set input mode, display inventory, that's all that's happening. Okay, so then let's just go if wait. Is item in player inventory. I'm going to do that. If chat accounts dot is item in player inventory. Oh, I don't have my chat up. What's happening? How are you? What's going on? I had too much caffeine, so... Oh, I've got a whisper. I don't know. I've got some weird whispers. Let me see. Let me mute. Or not mute, but go like that really quick so I can check the whisper. What does it say? Oh, it said it was 3 or 4. What? Oh. Nope, it's free. The demo is free. Nope, it's free. Download for free. Okay, somebody asked me about the demo. Okay. Close that. Okay, just to make sure they're not going to say something that's like a little bit out there or whatever. Alright, we're back. So how are you? How are things? Look at this. That's cool. Okay, so if chat accounts is item in player inventory stardust collector. Then we just want to go solar 1 set stardust collector true. Okay, that's fine. It's just going to set it true. It'll kind of loop through there and it'll be totally inefficient, but since we're showing the display inventory, there's really nothing that the game is doing at that point. We're not showing anything, so... What was that? Do show crafting? Oh, that's fine. Okay. So set Stardust Collector to true. So that will work its way through here. So then, is this where we're at? Yeah, so now we can check here. So if player has Stardust Collector and points i.gst.z equals. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. So crystals, minimap, prime number texture, minimap points, asteroids, water, star. Wait, where's the... Oh, prime number texture 4 different times. Okay, so if it's equal to 20, this is the prime number texture, right? And it's the offset. Okay. So if that's equal to 20. Oh, wrong button. Here. GSTZ equals 24. Oh, because that becomes Y. Okay, equals 20. Gotcha. And points sub I just gst.x is less than 64. So this is basically making one of these invisible. What am I doing right now? Mark the asteroid, add to player's ice count and inventory. Okay, so we're going to do exactly what this one does for the stardust. Mark the asteroid grid GST64 to brighten in the shader. Okay, we're not going to brighten in the shader. Add to player's ice count. So we want to go stardust count. Excuse me, stardust count. space dust count. Space dust? Stardust? Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Excuse me, held the microphone away for that, but don't think it helps. Okay, stardust count equals 0. Stardust count. Why do we still have the squiggly? Computer, take it away. Take it away. So then, what? Oh, okay. So then stardust count, mineral count, isn't that in here? In do show, no, wait. Where was I just at? What was I just doing? Forgot. I forgot. Oh, here. I think it's right here. Isn't it? No? No. It's the spot where the stuff happens. I was at the spot where the stuff happens. Son of a bean dip, Jeff. It's, hold on. Oh, right here, set user stat. Right, okay, gotcha. Chat accounts, set stat, user, player 1, comma, stardust, I think that'll do it. Set stat user. I haven't even looked at this function in a long time. Username the stat new amount. And it's actually add the new amount. Okay. I should change that because that's gonna... So basically that's gonna allow the player to collect stardust. Oh. Really? I'm skeptical. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, just to verify that we still can't collect these. Okay, good. Okay. So let's start the energy going. So the stardust collector, where's that? Stardust magnet right here. Okay, so 120 energy, so we're gonna wait for a little bit. 150 minerals, need a little bit more, and 40 water. Okay, so we're almost there. Let's get a little bit more minerals. Just one more. Okay, we got enough. So we're waiting for that to get to 120. Okay. Take a break. Coming up on the final 10 seconds. Uh-oh, this might not work. So I have the stardust magnet, but I don't think I called it a magnet. So I think I called it a collector. So I did all that and I called it a collector. Whoops. Hold on. There it is, yeah. So we need to change this one to a magnet. Alright, I'm being an idiot now. Here we go, one more time. Bum, 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 bum. Ba, 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 bum, ba, 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 ba. Alright, let's get this going again. Let's get it going again. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. There we go, got the energy collector going. Let's get up to 40 water. Okay. Take another break. We're waiting for the energy to build up. It's raining outside. It's literally raining right now. It's raining. Okay, so let's make the stardust magnet. Okay. What's next that we're going to be able to make? Minimap, 240 energy. Transporter, 360 energy. That'll take a while. Okay, so now that we have the stardust magnet, can we collect... Oh, it's just changing them to weird stuff here. It's not making them disappear. But am I collecting? Stardust, we are collecting it. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So what happens if we walk over one of these? Some of them change. Excuse me. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so they don't disappear. That's weird. So where were we at? So stardust count 0, that's fine. So this is actually working. Stardust collector, and that is equal to 20. Oh, because we don't actually set the Z. And just the X is less than 64. So we set X to 64 here. But we don't change the Z. Oh, I see. So actually what we need to do in here is have a way to just discard. If we've already run across it. So we need a way to discard. The way that we do that, how did we do that with the asteroids? If the grid type X is less than 64, oh, we don't have that functionality up here. So if grid type X is less than 64, we can go on to do this stuff. Otherwise, discard. So now they'll appear invisible. Okay. So now they should disappear when we collect them. And I thought of a way that we can actually increase the speed at which we generate energy. So hold on just a second. Hold on just a second. We're learning the hacks already. Stay tuned here. Okay, just make sure that we're not picking those up. Okay. Okay, so let's get the energy collector going for that. Now let's go here. Uh-oh. It didn't do it. Well, let's just go, let's go 100 minerals. It didn't do it. But it did initialize my stardust to 10. That's weird. So why didn't it do this trade? I took out the debug because it was working. Alright, well let's go back and watch this. But let's look, why isn't it doing that? I have no idea it was working. Really? That's... Trade. Handle trade command. Oh, this one here, update all accounts with all items. That's why. Okay. Oh, I put these in here. Maybe we should take these out then. Let's just leave those out. Okay. For now, we're gonna let this go. We're gonna do the stardust magnet here, and then we'll collect stardust. Oh, we need more water. There we go. Stardust magnet has been acquired. Now these should disappear like, okay, good. It just doesn't show on screen how much we're collecting. That's cool. They're just little stardust fragments, that's all. Theoretically, we could make them the same color as the star, but I think we're fine. For now, we'll just keep those in there. Okay, just to make sure we cannot land on the planet. I'm hitting the button to land on. We're not able to. Okay. So next what we want to do is craft the transporter module. But we need to do the same thing to enable the transporter module as we just did for the... Okay, this is cool. This is cool. So we need to do the minimap as well. 100 minerals, 100 stardust. So we'll be able to craft the minimap, but we don't currently disable the minimap from the beginning, so that's interesting. But that, we have to draw the minimap and the little points on the minimap, so... Alright, well we can do that. Let's come back. Let's go back, come back. Okay. So, let's go... Here, let's write some of this stuff down. So the stardust collecting works. So the next thing would be the minimap. So let's, what would it take to not draw the minimap from the beginning? So what would we have to do here? Okay, this is interesting. Init minimap stuff. Init data. Yeah, star. Okay, so the minimap stuff really doesn't happen till down here. Warp zones. Okay, and then right here. This is the minimap. So we get the index. We get the index for the minimap into the points. Okay, minimap I. And then these indices are saved in the star planets. Gotcha. So we could set those all to some other GST. Actually, because yeah, see this one's 24. That's the minimap itself. And then these ones are set to 0 and 0. GST Z is 21 and 21. This one's 9. So 21 is minimap points. See? So same thing. We could do that. We could just do the same thing like this here. Only just instead of because the player ran over it, it would be because that boolean is set. Okay, so minimap points there, and then 9 is the minimap itself. Same thing, we can put that in there. Okay. Alright. Are we paying attention to this, Jeff? I don't know. So initially we want to set the minimap to not be drawn. So in the initialization we want this to set to not be drawn. So the minimap, which is minimap I, and then okay, so two things. We want to create a function to enable the minimap, and then when it starts out, it's going to be disabled. So what if the player gets rid of the minimap item? So we'll have to create a function to enable and disable the minimap. Okay. I can do that. Okay. So first of all, what did we just do with the stardust and stuff? Right here. So minimap, okay. So if so what is the thing that we check? Grid type, grid size type, and then this becomes X, Y, and then Z becomes the red color. Okay, so X is 0. That's okay. So what we want to do in the case of all of these okay, so let's just go into, where did we have that? Too many things I'm thinking about all at once right now, but extract username, do class inits. Right here, okay. Okay, so then we want to go right here. If chat accounts dot is item in player inventory. Okay, so right there, because that's the only time that the player is going to gain or lose the minimap is when we're just, and there's nothing else going on, so we can just do that. So solar 1, set stardust collector true. Oh. So we'll need a boolean to, or actually we'll just call the function. If the minimap is there, we'll just go enable let's just have set minimap, and we'll just set it to true. Okay, so we'll have a function, we'll set it to true. Initially, we'll create a function and we'll put it in the initialization, call it, set it to false. Okay, so let's go back to the initialization here for minimap. So after the minimap is created, we'll come down here and we'll go set minimap false. Is that what we just called it? Set minimap. Okay, set minimap. Okay, so let's go into here now, and let's just go void set minimap boolean void planets1 set minimap show minimap. Okay, so if show minimap, else, okay. So if we want to show the minimap, then we want to set points minimap I, okay, dot gst equal to, and then where's the init down here? Is this the init? Oh, this is update data. Hold on. Go to init. Go down to the minimap. Right here. So we'll just grab this GST here for the minimap. Okay. And I'll be right back. Line 800. Shoo! Right there. And then for each of the other minimap points, we want to cycle through. Let's just glue int. Currently it's 17, isn't it? Star colors? No, it's star planets, isn't it? There we go. So that will give you the index for the minimap points. And then we'll go down to line 800. Grab this. Because these are the minimap points themselves. Go back up here. There we go. So if show minimap will do what we do at the initialization. Okay? Otherwise, we want to disable. So let's copy everything from there. Let's wreak havoc now. So we're going to check, make sure that X is 64 on all of those. There we go. So that's all we have to do. So then we go into here, and minimap will just go if grid type dot x is less than 64. Then do that. Oh, I hate this. Visual Studio, killing me. Okay. Otherwise, discard. What? Oh, you don't know what you're doing. Visual Studio. Okay. So prime number texture, no. Minimap points right here. Okay, so then we'll just do it right here as well. If grid type dot x is less than 64. Actually, because there's only one statement, we can do it like this. Else discard. Minimap points 21. How come they're 9 right there? Nine and 9? What? Oh, they're 21. What was I doing? Oh, because this one is for the, yeah. Oh, I see. Hold on. We need to copy this for a second. Let me just copy this back up here. Hold on. Because I did this part wrong. Did I do this part wrong too? If show minimap. Yeah, I did that wrong. Okay, hold on. Hold the phone. Oh, okay, there we go. So if show minimap, want to set them to these, we're going to use star underscore planets sub I. There's going to be an issue there because of what I've got copied and pasting over there. Hold on a second. So there's that. If we draw them. Else, this one here. Yeah, this is wrong too. Alright, hold on. So this one's wrong. Or no, this one's right. Okay. And then for the 17, these will go there or there for the first one. And then so there's only one of these here, so we can just go like that now. And so that will be correct once we get done with getting rid of the squigglies. And then GST, So then we don't need this anymore, which will get rid of the squigglies. And then we want to take this, copy it down here, except for everything in the X column goes to 64. Okay, is this right? Is it capital P? Is that? Computer, don't hit the wrong key there. Okay, show minimap. This is what it does when it initializes. If it not, then everything in the X gets changed to 64. Phew. Okay. So then the time that we want to call this set minimap is right here in the inventory. And then this one, I'm just going to leave all these squigglies in. We're just going to... So we're going to call set minimap true or false right there. So that'll be interesting. So then when we pick up the minimap, then it'll draw the minimap. Otherwise, when we drop it, it won't. Or if we trade it away. Let's see what that... Is that... So it's going to start out... Because in the initialization, don't I call it... oh, it's compiling. Hold on, I'll check after. Let's see. It'll work. It'll work. Assuming it compiles, it did. Okay. Oh, look what happened. Well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? So what happened there? So I was going to go look at this. Let's go look at it real quick. So it initializes the minimap down here. So minimap I, and then these 17 here, star planets sub I. Oh, they're not star planets, it's minimap stuff I. Okay, so set minimap, hold on. Wrong variable. Minimap stuff I, oh wait, I gotta copy that, hold on. Computer. Well, in that case, it makes perfect sense what just happened. So we don't want star planets. We want minimap stuff sub I. There we go. Star planets completely different. So I made all the planets disappear literally, and the minimap. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Okay, and then down here I call set minimap to false. Okay. See if this works. Okay, so it's still drawing the minimap points, but it's not drawing the minimap. So when I call set minimap false, if it's true, it does this. If it's false, it does this. And these are all 64, 9, and 21. So let's go look again. So 21 if grid type X is less than 64, draw the color. Otherwise, discard. So, and then 9. If grid type X, yeah. So what? Are we using 124? Let's go look real quick. No, don't click there. Don't click there either. Okay. Yeah, we're using 124. Okay, so, So, minimap. If chat accounts is item in player inventory minimap, set minimap to true. Otherwise, set minimap to false. Oh, is the player's inventory... Well, why doesn't the minimap show? Is the player's inventory being initialized to have a minimap? No, but it is an item now. Okay, but these points are still showing. That's funny. Let me just see what happens when I craft the minimap. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Okay. So what do I have to do to get a minimap? I need some energy. 240 energy? Oh. Well, apparently trading is not working. Otherwise, I would go into chat and trade with myself. So I broke that. So 240, wait for the minimap. All right. Still drawing these points. That just. Let's go look while that's working on it, because I think in here, in the update data, is where it's getting me. Points to render. If I is not equal to minimap, find nearest planet marked for brighter in the shader. Asteroid begin. Convert points for minimap drawing. Oh. Compute minimap coordinates. That might be. Convert the point. Oh, determine if displayed on the minimap. Because it updates here. Set to type 22 for discard entire point. Otherwise, set to type 21 for drawing the point. Okay, but when we do this, we want to maintain the same points in index. Oops. Computer. In index.gst.x. Okay, same for down there, because that's why. I wondered why we weren't seeing the mini-map, but computer, can you please just not do that? We weren't seeing the mini-map itself. Okay, so let's just exit out of that. Let's recompile and try it again. But now this will be exciting. Hold on. So when I get this working, or when I get this crafted, let's craft a mini-map. Minerals. Give me the minerals. Excuse me. Okay. Energy collector. I get that going. Okay, we'll take a break while we wait for the... what else do I need for the mini-map? 240 energy, 100 minerals, and 100 stardust. Oh, I need to make the stardust magnet? Okay, so let's wait for that. So we need 150. So we're going to need 250 minerals and 40 water. Okay, so we're going to need 250 minerals. So let's go get more minerals here. Hold on. 250 while the energy is building. Because we're going to have to craft a stardust collector. We're going to have to collect the stardust. And then we'll craft the mini-map after that. There we go. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we are waiting for energy to build up to get a stardust magnet. And then we're going to have to wait for energy to build up again to get the mini-map. So that's fine. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-dum ba-dum ba-dum da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-bum ba-bum ba-bum. Oh, okay, cool. How long since I've eaten? I don't recall. It's all a blur. Almost there. Almost. There we go. Stardust magnet. Okay, you continue to do the energy. What else do we need for the minimap? 240 energy, 100 minerals we got, and 100 stardust. So let's go get 100 stardust out here. Ba-da-dum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Just go out here. What I like is that the mini-map is not showing, because that tells me it's working. Okay, so we have 183 stardust, and we're literally just waiting for the minimap, 240 energy. Alright, we'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, here goes the big moment. Kaboom. Okay, and then the minimap shows. Perfect. Cool. So why did trading stop working? Oh, I need to update that, yeah. Oh. Oh, did it... Was I just scrolled down and I couldn't see it? Is that what happened? So it does work. Okay, cool. Uh-oh, what happened? 10 mini-maps? Look at that. Okay, so that, yeah, that's that function that I put in to avoid crashing. Alright, we got it. So does the, do I have a transporter module in here? No. Okay. Bum, ba, bum. Interesting. Oh, I see, okay. So yeah, I'm just... So trading still works. I didn't break it. Okay. So it was probably just not scrolled and I couldn't see the trade. Okay, so next thing, what would be transporter module? Because we got the mini map. Excuse me. Okay, we have the mini map. We got the stardust magnet working. So next we need to get the transporter module working. Ice 175. Okay. Whoops, what am I doing? So the transporter module. So transporter module is going to work like the mini map. Show crafting. We could take these out. We could just do that. If I did that, I would want to space this like this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so again, for the transporter module, what we want to do is Because landing on planets and stuff, what? Show planet. Landing on planets happens here in Maine. So that's with the B key. So that might be a little bit easier. Right here. Oh, no, we're already ready. So we just need to craft it. Is item in player inventory transporter, and then it'll allow us to land on the planets. Oh, so we could have just gone ahead and done it. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. So I'm down to craft everything, and I wonder how long that will take. I'm not really worried about time, so let's get the energy collector online. What does that take? 100 minerals, 2 water, 10 ice. 100 minerals, 2 water, and 10 ice. So let's go boop, boop. Okay. Then the next thing is going to be the stardust magnet. So we want 120 energy, 150 minerals, and 40 water. So let's do the water right now. Okay, so we're going to need more ice eventually, but we're also going to need 150 minerals. 150 minerals. Let's grab some ice real quick. Now let's get 150 of these mineral guys. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we're all ready for that. Let's get a bit more ice. Okay, we already have the energy collector going. Get some more water. Okay, so we're waiting on the stardust magnet. 120 energy, so 40 seconds away. And 150 minerals we already have. Okay. And then we'll go collecting some stardust. Maybe we should put a multiplier if you get more than one energy collector. Okay, stardust magnet. Now let's go get some of this stardust here. Stardust. Whoops, somebody said something. Hold on. 5th. Well, almost got it working. Hey, thanks for the raid, dude. Almost got it working. Ah, I've been completely obsessed with this. I owe it to caffeine. But I've gotten everything working. The minimap, as you notice, it's not showing. It won't show until I have it in my inventory now. And I'm able to collect this. I just decided to call this stardust. And we're going to go with, let's see, we're going to wait for the, I need to make this a little bit more clear. Like, maybe putting the item that you want to craft over here, and then putting like an indent, and then displaying all the items that you need to make it. But we're going to craft, let's see, the minimap in just about probably 2 minutes. Takes a while. But yeah. Well, I'm glad you got it working. That's awesome. Oh wait, almost got it working. Uh-oh. Just to make sure I can't land on the planet. I'm waiting for that transporter. Better collect some more minerals too. So if you run over the asteroids, it collects up the minerals. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Oh, got a display thing assuming the thing that's not working is not making it run faster, then it's only used 30% CPU. Oh, okay. Interesting. I thought my crafting wasn't working, or the trades, until I realized I can scroll this. So I was probably scrolled all the way down, and the trades were showing up here. And I thought they weren't showing up. Okay, so 240 energy. Okay. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay, we're coming up on the mini-map, and then how long is that going to take for the transporter here? 360 energy? That's 6 minutes. It'll be worth it. The mini-map's worth it. Mini-map. Mini-map. There we go. Okay, now we got a mini-map. So the mini-map's showing. There we go. What'd you say? What'd you say? I can also do a thing to make that a little bit slower, another 8x faster maybe. Oh, wow. Interesting. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so let's make sure that we got enough for the transporter. 360 energy, we're waiting on that. 10 ice. Okay, 175 minerals, we got that. 150 stardust, we need a little bit more stardust, and 80 water. Let's craft some more water. There we go. Okay, so we just need 150 stardust. We have 95. So let's go get some stardust here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-bum. Bum-bum-bum. Bum-bum. Ba-ba-bum-bum-bum-bum. Okay, we got enough. Cool. Also, it used to use a lot of CPU, and now it's basically none. Oh, that's cool. Takes more CPU to tell if the frame is finished rendering. There we go. Have my own little chat pop out without having to pop out chat. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, man. Ah. Do we have enough of everything? Yeah, we got the ice, minerals, stardust. Okay. Oh wait, no, we don't have enough ice. Oh yeah, we do. 10 ice, sorry. 175 minerals. Okay. Okay, so we'll be back in 200 seconds. Oh boy, everything's lit up except the transporter. It's raining outside. It's actually raining outside. I hope it's really helping over in Spokane, because they're having problems with wildfires. Okay, so what are we waiting for? 360. Okay. Got a minute to go. A minute to win it. See if I can look at the weather here real quick. Phew. What we want to look at is Spokane. Does have rain. Are those rain clouds? Good to know. That's good. Look at the airnow.gov map. Okay, so it's kind of helping out over here. Computer, you're killing me. Okay, so it's still bad, but it's raining right in about here. Hopefully that'll help. Okay. Did we get it? Did we get it? Transporter module? Transporter! Transporter's engaged. Okay, so now let's see if we can land on the planet. Oh, it wouldn't let me land. Didn't let me land. Computer! Oh, I know why I'm an idiot, oh my god. Because it doesn't say transporter module, it says transporter. Idiot, idiot. So now to test that takes another 6 minutes. Or longer, actually. It took longer. It'll take longer. So let's let's go let's rig the system here. Oops. Okay, let's make this a little bit easier for now. Where's actually that stuff doesn't really matter, but this energy is what was killing you on the time. Okay, there we go. Woo. Save that, since we're going to recompile and try it again. Transporter module, Jeff. Jeez. Louise. All right. We don't need nearly as much of this stuff now. Energy collector. Stardust magnet. Got that already. Boom. Let's go get the stardust. Minimap. Okay, we are waiting for... We already have the Stardust magnet, we got the minimap, now we're just waiting for the transporter module. Okay, so what I should show is these things for oh, we're just waiting on water. Transporter. There we go, and we're on the planet. Okay. Alright, this is interesting because, yeah, now we can start to do stuff for the planet. So what we want to do is, so what we want to do now is stuff for the planet. Okay. Well, I'm going to think about that. I'm going to head offline here. Thank you, Fifth, for watching. Very cool of you to stop by. Good luck on your project. I will tune in if I see you when I'm perusing Twitch. Oh yeah, you were doing Japanese earlier. That's why I didn't stay. But I just was popping in to see what you were doing. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and end it here, and I'll pop this up on YouTube.